Right mga kalaminians, na sa bagong niabot na mga food delivery restaurant from our, online sellers, friendly online sellers dito sa Cebu. And this one is called wrap a roll. Wrap a roll. Casserole with a twist. Wow. The dish you're about to enjoy is better served hot, microwave 3 to 4 minutes, and oven turbo to 5-8 minutes. Ako dyan, let's unbox, baby. Okay. So, casserole din eh. Wow! Sama ni. Magandang na ito. Let's unbox sa tamanood. Whoa, we have a roasted seasoned seaweed. This one, what's this? Natas out. Oh, that's cabbage. Interesting. Whoa, what's this? It's more like lasagna, baby. So, tanawin nato unsay mga sud padre. Some really amazing casseroles here. Whoa. Let's wrap a roll. And they have, of course, you have wraps. So I thought ang maabot sa ako wraps na. Ako pa rin mo roll. So ako pa rin mag-assemble sa akong wrap. But wow, so far so good. So in a bit, ato na ning assemble og atong kanon. Pero before we do that, ato ning picture and ooh. So I don't know. Interesting. So, ngayon ko i-check out ilang Facebook page, Wrap a Roll. So, by the way, ilang contact number is, the IG page is Wrap a Roll. Yeah, or FB Wrap a Roll. Mana ha? Ato sa ning picture-picturean. So that, atay documentations before ato ning hukton o kaon. So, okay guys. See you in a bit. Kaya ato na ng tilawan. So by getting wrap a roll by May Molina, by the way. So it comes in two flavors right now: the Mexican burrito baked or the sushi wrap or sushi roll baked. So muna, tala na ko unsa dire. Pero excited ng mukaon. So I don't know unsa man natong unahan ba, Mexican or ang sushi. So ato ta sudron pero yes, excited na ko. Kay maraglingaw kayo. Sabi na ito sa sinuton din. Para makaibaw ko unsa. Oh, gani ang sushi ba? Klaro kayo. Lamig in Japanese miyo baho. And namukos Mexican burrito bake. Oh, kalami. I love the taco seasoning smell. Yang usa katong Japanese na mayo na scent. So murag nanay wasabi. So kuyaw kayo, lami ni kayo. So ato nang dilawan ni nabit og tanaw na to unsa to mas gusto. Wrap roll, and this is the sushi. Aray kanon. Sushi na gibungkag. Round 2, this is sushi baked na. So we have the roasted nori or the seaweed. Then we put basically the fillings, the casserole, and gonna eat it. Alahan kay ko sa iyang pagka season. Japanese kay dating. Plus the roasted nori is so smoky. Then ang iyang sushi, baked sushi niya, wow. Murag, wow. Kuan ba? Lami kay ganahan kay kus kada bang wasabi na mayo. That's all the flavors there, the rice, the so it's like a deconstructed na Japanese roll. And yes, lingaw siya, lingaw actually siya kanon. Not bad. I mean, as in, wow. Kuan yun. I mean, makalingaw if you love Japanese food na nagimingaw na Japanese food. Suwayan kay malingaw gyud ka. Plus karon in a bit atong suwayan ng Mexican. So we'll go to Mexican sa burrito na sa datong trip by. So man ni atong burrito na deconstructed. So ato na ning yes. Nang ka naman. Ang kalay niya, of course, iyang taco seasoning na umot kayo ang burrito ng Mexican cake. Lasa nasa siya rice, of course. Nasa meat and it's cheesy. Karon ang next round na to ato ni butangag hot sauce para power kayo. Rock and roll na kayo, guys. When I put the hot sauce, power sad. Wow, lingaw lagi nilang rock and roll da. Enjoy kay ko da. On its own gali. Okay, labot ng mga pana. Lami na siya. Lami na yung casserole actually. Plus, kaya maghimo-himo ka ba, mag-construct ka, it gives it another dimension, another experience. Kaya bang pahirapan ka gamay para in the end, it's gonna be worth it. Nga na ginabay, no? By Jason Marata, no? Dapat pahirapan ka so that it will become all worth it. So bitaw, mao gina. Pero lami. I love the flavors in the mouth. And Mexican siya kung gimingaw na kag mga burrito, yeah. This one's really good. Something you can, order, then enjoy at home. Kids would love this. Grown-ups would love this, definitely. So, enjoy it kayo. So, in a way, nag-conclude lang ta. Kay motiwas po ka. Guys, natilawan na akong Wrap a Roll by May Molina. And you know what? Enjoy kayo ko. Enjoy kayo ko sa experience kasi lingaw siya kanon, guys. Missed eating burritos. I miss eating sushi, definitely. So, ano yung mga presyo niya? Ang Mexican burrito baked, it's ang single katong ito na size 190, which are 2 flatbreads, and the mingle, which is 2 to 4 people, it's 380 pesos. So, ang Japanese sushi bake that comes with nori sheets, ang single is 250 and ang mingle is 430. So, wow, bye, kuan. All I can say is yummy. Enjoy kay ko. I mean, kung papiliun ko sa duha, I mean, I don't know. Grabe, it's too close to call. Lami, I mean, I kuan gid ang flavors niya ba? Na dito, it hits the spot. I love the naka-taste you guys, for example, sa wasabi mayo niya. Unique gid ang flavor baka lang dili gid sa atong mga Pinoy. And ang usa sa very strong ilang Mexican seasoning na kaingon gyud sa baba lahi gyud ang bahaw. It's not your typical food na kanang toyo lang o asin or pepper lang. It's kuan yun. It's very certain na baho sa baba na makaingon gyud na wow. Plus kung mag-construct po gyud ka, it's like kuan, it adds some dimension. Tapos the nori flakes or the nori ang nori sheets ba? Kuan gatong roasted nori sheets, lingaw kay flavored na siya, medyo smoky siya, and it gives it a crunch. Same as the lettuce, of course, na maghatag siya other dimension na mo crunchy siya baba. So all in all, it's really a good experience. It's a fun eating it. I want you to try Wrap a Roll by May Molina. Check them out on Facebook and Instagram, and all the details will be in the description, guys. So suportahan gyud nato itong mga online sellers, small businesses, because somehow sila gyud nagtabang sa atong mga cravings karong panahona. And who knows, kani sila mahimo sa nilang restaurants in the future. So tinabangay lang yun ta. Mao nang yes, kung nangita mo Mexican burrito or Japanese sushi baked, check out Wrap and Roll na sa Instagram o sa Facebook para matilawan ninyo kung lami basad, kung lamian sad mo. Sa ako nag-enjoy jud ko. Oh, I'm gonna go inside for more pagani. Pero muna, thank you so much for watching and continue supporting our local businesses and continue supporting us, by the way. And thank you so much yun na niabot money. So kung kamusta na may small business na ganahan mo ipasample, let me know lang. I'm, musample ko para sa uban, para makatila, mahibawan sa uban kung unsa inyong gibaligya. And so far so good. So thank you so much for watching once again and see you na sa atong mga next food adventures. Bye bye.